Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what the monitor and cable can actually do. First, check the monitor OSD for supported refresh rates and the native resolution. Write those down. Once done, make sure you're using a cable that supports the desired HC, DisplayPort, or the correct HDMI/DVI variant, and update your GPU drivers. Then open Windows Display Settings and have your GPU control panel ready. We move straight into changing the refresh rate so you don't waste time. You'll now change the rate in the OS and GPU panel. In Windows, go to Settings System, Display Advanced Display Settings, pick the correct monitor and resolution, then select the refresh rate dropdown and choose the target HC. If your desired HC isn't listed, open the NVIDIA or AMD control panel and create a custom resolution with the correct timing parameters. This lets you add unsupported but capable modes. Make sure to hit apply and watch for the confirmation prompt. Finish by verifying stability and performance at the new refresh rate. You should run a motion test, a game, or a refresh rate demo to confirm smoother motion. Check for artifacts or flicker. If the screen goes black or settings don't stick, don't panic. Wait for the system to auto-revert or boot into safe mode to reset display settings. Finally, update monitor firmware if available and swap cables. Often the issue is bandwidth or firmware, not the monitor's claimed capability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.